Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make a color darker, this is called a shade of the original color, add a small amount of black. If you add too much black, your color will be almost black. Another way to darken a color is to mix in some of the complementary color, the opposite color on a color wheel, see below.
Let's help you make your mark.
It won't actually darken the color, but it will make it richer. Adding layers of the same paint won't affect the color or richness of the final product. It will only affect the coverage. 2 coats is desirable in most cases. 19 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Shades of black are colors that differ only slightly from pure black. Unlike these, many off-black colors possess a hue and a colorfulness, also called saturation. Colors often considered shades of black include onyx, black olive, charcoal, and jet. These colors and other variations of black are shown below.
Take our lead.
A pure gray is a combination of white and black. However, you can get a grayish-brown shade by mixing red, yellow, and blue. Use more blue to get a cooler, color gray, or more red if you want a warmer color.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to make black food coloring. Equal portions of blue, yellow and red should result in black. Dependent on the quality of the food coloring, however, you may need to add more of one color. Test your version to see what works best.
Take our lead.
Red, blue and yellow are the 3 primary colors for what colors make black paint when mixed together. Simply mix equal amounts of red, blue, and yellow together and you will get a nice black. 6 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place a dab of blue paint, such as cobalt blue, and a dab of orange paint, such as translucent orange, onto your palette. Gently swirl the colors together until a vibrant black is formed. If equal parts of each doesn't create a dark enough black, add a bit more blue to the mixture. Merge yellow and purple paint.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.